It's a heat wave freeze dance. Just dance along to the music, but when it stops, freeze! And be ready to put your rhythm and moves to the test. In this game, when a thirsty cactus gets to this target, clap your hands to spray it, like this. And stomp when it gets to this target down here.
All I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of
Freeze! It's so hot the pool is boiling. Quick, catch the beach balls. Stomp the corn back into the water.
Been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come, but sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June.
Freeze! In this game, say the word on the beat. Our words are lick, stick, brick, and kick. You can run along if you want.
nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
In this game, when the egg gets to the target, pound your chest to crack it. Or if you prefer, punch. Freeze! Watch out for the suns! Don't let them fall on you! For more brain break fun, be on the lookout for more rhythm and moves games. Or have you tried my Back to School World Cup?